Hello, my name is Sharon Johnson from Raw and Awesome. Today we're going to make banana ice cream. Ice cream. You only need three things. You need a food processor, the juice from a fresh lemon, and bananas. What you will do first is you're going to take your bananas, you're going to peel them, you're going to put lemon juice on them, and then you're going to put them in the freezer. You want them to freeze for 3 to 4 hours. Sometimes I'll just do it overnight and I'll just make my banana ice cream in the morning. And then you're going to process them. So let me show you how to do it. All right, here we go. So I'm going to put just a little bit of lemon juice with the bananas that are in here. It's like 3 to 4 bananas. And I'm just going to do this because I want the bananas to stay bright and vibrant. All right, this is going to be a little loud. And that is really all it is to it. We have banana ice cream. And that's all it is to making banana ice cream. Easy breezy. Talk to you later.